Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials: oil, coolant, battery. These protect the engine. Once done, shut fuel valve, open primer or bleed screw and pump until fuel flows. This removes air that prevents compression ignition. Make sure the glow plugs are powered for cold starts. They raise combustion chamber temperature so diesel ignites. Turn key to preheat position for the recommended seconds, then crank. You do these steps now because a dry pump or airlock stops fuel delivery and causes hard starting. Once the engine is running, let it settle at idle so oil pressure builds and turbo seals seat. This prevents damage. You should listen. Gray or black smoke means rich mixture or injector issues. White smoke often signals cold start or fuel timing problems. Make sure to warm the engine gently before heavy load. Thermal stress can warp components. While you run it, watch gauges closely. Low oil pressure or rising coolant temperature demands immediate shutdown to prevent catastrophic failure. When finishing, reduce load and idle for several minutes so turbo and oil cool. This preserves bearings. Then shut off the engine. Do not cut fuel abruptly under high boost. If you experience hard starting later, first reprime the system, replace a clogged fuel filter, and verify lift pump pressure. These fix most fuel delivery faults. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see heavy smoke or loss of power, run a compression and injector balance test to isolate cylinders and avoid chasing symptoms.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.